Yo, before we get into this video, man, make sure you drop a like on this video if you rock with us, man. If you have not subbed already, please subscribe to the channel. Yeah, if you have not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And tell your friends about us, man. Let them know. We on the road to 5K. I almost said 3K because we're so close to 3K. 3K. Who y'all got tonight, man? But yeah, that's it, man. Let's get into it.
Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the tray master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinging slasher.
YouTube, what is good? Generational Hype Beast is back at you with yet another video, man.
I had to clock in.
And today, man, it's Monday the 10th? Yeah, it's Monday the 10th. I picked these up on Saturday, man. They dropped on Saturday. I picked them up on Saturday. So I wanted to bring them to y'all, man.
Don't get mad at yourself.
So
don't get mad at yourself, player. Jesus.
Not sure why I can't talk today, but we had the other videos drop on Saturday and then another on Sunday. Is that how it dropped?
Yep.
Saturday, Sunday. So we dropping this on Monday, and we got another banger for you tomorrow, man. So welcome back, full effect. GHB, Yao Ming. Let's get into it, man. You wanna check them out?
Had to clock out real quick, sorry. I'm in work mode. So yeah, we had picked up these. Orange box, thanks. See you.
What? That's it. That's it. I guess you want me on this side again. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Why are you still here?
What?
Here you go.
So, man, you know about the box, you should know what it is. It's got Fear of God right there, man.
I don't know if y'all can see that, bro.
I don't know if y'all can see that right there. I got that Nike check right there. You can see that one. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. There it is. Right there. So, same packaging as usual, man. And we got the Nike Air Fear of God, Sail, Black, and Sail. Size 11. And you know what these guys are, man. Wasn't able to get my... What? Wasn't able to get my 10.5 like normal, but my Black Fear of Gods are an 11 and they work just fine. So these guys will work just fine as well. They always come with that. That is my third little satchel. And if you are able to grab a pair of these, man, that bag is premium, man. It's a really nice bag, to be honest. I haven't quite figured out a use for it. I have 3 of them now, but it does come in the same packaging, man. You remember from our last videos, you got the additional lacing. Remember the first time I just ripped this top piece right off.
Everybody was mad.
Later to figure out that, yeah, you just open that guy. Spare laces. You also have,
Thank God it's not leather.
yeah. Spare lace locks. You have 4 lace locks in this bag, and you also have this Fear of God hang tag, man. Nike on one side, Air Fear of God on the other.
These are like breathable.
That's pretty dope.
That's what I like about these already.
And as you've already seen, man, that's the shoe.
Yeah, these are breathable. It's hard to see, but they got yeah, breathable airways throughout the whole shoe, pretty much.
Well, that's actually the neoprene. That's the same like all of them.
It look breathable. Not necessarily towards the toe box.
So, as far as the shoe and its design, man, it's exactly like the black pair, man. So the black pair was constructed exactly like this. So you've got the midsole, that's that really chunky, high midsole that's got the visible air unit. That's the 180 air unit going through right there. You've got this suede-ish toe box that, as you can see, is a little bit of a gray. It's more of a gray than anything else. And they call it a black. The only black on this entire shoe is the Nike check, man. That's it. And they included that in the colorway. So everything else is pretty much a mesh upper. So if you remember the second pair, if you want to see a comparison in colors, because I know people think that these colors are the same. You can see, sheesh, bright light, bright light. This is the gray, and this is the white. That's a major difference.
Major killer.
In colors there, you can see. This white is a white, guys. So I definitely like the white better. What do you think?
Yeah. I hate that you bring on the shoes when I'm broke. I'm really my buddies and I'm broke.
Another major difference between these two shoes, man. This gray pair was a completely leather upper, man. This whole thing is like a lamb skin. It's really plush, man. It's really nice, but it's really hard to get on and off. So this pair, I'm actually happy that it's 11 because it'll get on and off easier.
Yes.
I'm
not helping him.
And the fact that it's not that leather, so this is, you can see how much more pliable this material is compared to.
It'll give more than that.
This, like this stuff don't move. So, and once your foot gets hot in this shoe, man, it makes it really difficult to get off. As far as everything else, it does have the same military number on there, 832-9166. It's got a white zipper tag on the back, and the inside has that same sock lining with the Nike Fear God, Air Fear God. It's got the Fear God on the back, just like the last pair. And what else with them guys, man? It's dope. This is probably the black pair is maybe the most wearable, but this is definitely a wearable shoe. Like
until you scuffed it up too much, where it looks super dirty and there's some beaters.
Yeah, you just rejuvenate them guys, right?
Say that to you, rejuvenate.
Or crep them guys, one of the two. I'm not, I'm not brand specific, y'all. I use them all. So it's the same tread pattern on the bottom, and yeah, all of the Fear Gods have an excessive amount of glue going around. You probably won't be able to see that on camera.
It's noticeable in person,
but they all have it. Like it just is what it is. It's a product of this shoe and the way it's constructed, I'm assuming. But there you have it, man. Did they call it sail? This is sail in black Fear God ones, man. Air Fear God ones. And these are them, man. So hopefully you guys, if you wanted to grab a pair, you could grab a pair. They are reselling for about $500 to $550. Well, at least in my size. I don't know what's the money size in these, but in a size 11, man, these are about $550, so they like $150 over retail, give or take. Not bad at all compared to the OGs that are going for $700 or $800, however much they're going for. Yeah, this shoe and this shoe are exactly the same as far as materials. Exactly the same. Wear your shoes. There you got it, man.
Better like this video.
So that is it, man. I apologize for having this white shirt with this white shoe because I know it's glamming up like crazy. This is the Sail Fear God ones, man. We'll get to a quick on foot with these guys so you can see what they look like on feet. I'm probably not going to change and put nothing on, but we'll see. But we get to it now.
I'm finna ball on these nigga D-Lilla. John Wall, bitch, I feel like a wizard. My wrist froze like a Oreo blizzard. I got a call cause I been sipping scissor. I had to cut that bitch out like some scissor. Chop and get to singing like Bryson Tiller. I hang with some shooters and stay with some killers. Drew Sinatra, name a nigga Gorilla. I'm finna ball on these nigga D-Lilla. John Wall, bitch, I feel like a wizard. My wrist froze like a Oreo blizzard. I got a call cause I been sipping scissor. I had to cut that bitch out like some scissor. Chop and get to singing like Bryson Tiller. I hang with some shooters and stay with some killers. Drew Sinatra, name a nigga gorilla. My bitch is beautiful, her skin is vanilla. My wrist cold like a lake in the winter. My neck froze like a day in December. I'm in the paint on the court like a sinner. Y'all forgive me cause I know I'm a sinner. All these pretty bitches on my agenda. If it bout them rat, we never surrender. They tried to trick me with a public defender. First defender threw me right in the blender. I had got booked for a Glock 26.
So the one thing I can tell you about this shoe, man, it runs pretty much true to size to me, man. It's very comfortable. It was easy to get on and off with the 11. So I said true to size. You can fit, the 10.5 runs true to size. Like I could wear the 10.5, but the 11 was a lot easier to put on and a lot easier to take off. So I think going up a half a size as far as comfort would be a better bet. But if you went true to size, you wouldn't, it's not like you wouldn't be able to put the shoe on. You'd still be able to put the shoe on. Other than that, man, it sits really high. As you saw, it sits really high up on the ankle, so.
Super ankle support though.
Yeah.
Getting crossed over.
At the end of the day, man, it's a basketball
All the
shoe.
Euro steps in the mall, be straight.
So that's that guy, man. The sale, Fear God ones.
What? You're brought.
I don't know why I can't talk tonight, y'all. It just ain't coming out.
That's why I ain't talking, cause I ain't finna be no.
But that's it, man. Drop a comment in the comment section and let us know. I'm struggling. Let us know what you think of this shoe, man. If you went after it, if you were able to grab it or not. And that is it, Brody. What else you got?
Thank you. Nah, we appreciate y'all tuning in, man.
Yo, so that's it, man. Thanks for pulling up as always, man. Dad, son, Cams, gang, gang.